Hey everyone, this is Hitesh from PhoneArena.com, and since you've already tuned in this video, you already know what you are going to see in the next few minutes or so. So let's get this video rolled. Right now in my hand, if you can see, this is the new Lumia device. This is Lumia 950 XL. We already know about the device specifications. You already know it's a 5.7-inch Quad HD display on the front, a 21 megapixel camera with a triple LED flash, which is rare, and 5 megapixel front camera with wide angle lens. So let me just put this in the dock. Essentially, we're talking about how this works in the Continuum feature, which Microsoft has brought to India also. So now this will be available soon in the market. The dock is here. Let me just plug the phone in the dock and to show you how it looks on the big screen. So I've plugged in the phone. So it says please unlock your phone. I've just unlocked my phone, and you can see it's not a PC now. It's your phone that replicates into a bigger screen. So as it is, you can also go through your phone. You can also use your phone simultaneously, so it doesn't affect that screen. But if you want to like use it on a bigger screen, you need to connect it through a keyboard, which is connected through Bluetooth, and that is connected to your phone, and the mouse is connected through that wireless dock. That it's a wireless mouse, so it's connected to a USB dock here. So let me just open some things for you so that you get the hold of what exactly it does. So going through it, you're seeing that few apps they don't lit up. So the apps those are not universal. They will not lit up. The apps those are universal, as in it will work on your phone as well as on the bigger screen. So those apps will show up. So we have Cortana here, Microsoft Edge Store. For productivity purposes, you have Microsoft PowerPoint here. But before going to that, let me just go through my Outlook mail, which we have configured here, to show you how it gives the bigger experience on the device. So that's Outlook. Okay, that's the calendar. Let me just go through the Outlook. So Outlook is here. So you see that whatever I have on my phone is now on the bigger screen, but in a form factor which is not a phone like. So if you miracast this phone through, if you have your PC, which your screen which has miracast options available, so you can definitely miracast this phone through that, but the frame rate drops. But using this Continuum dock, which Microsoft is calling the display dock, with that you'll get better experience in terms of like the frame rate increases. So still you won't be able to play games. I don't think so. It is possible, but it'll show some drag on that. So other than that, let me just go through the mail. So we have a presentation here, which is Lumia 950 XL. It's a demo presentation, just to show you how this app, the app which is there on the phone. Okay, so it's the same experience here, but on a larger screen. So if I have to like go full screen, let me just put this slideshow on. So now I can use the mouse or the keyboard to go through the presentation. But while doing that, I can probably take up some notes from here, which I'm going to talk about. Okay, I have some notes here. So if I have some notes here, I'll just open it up. It will not interfere with that display. The display here, whatever I open it from here will remain here, or whatever I open it from this place will remain at your bigger screen. So that's the PPT part. Let me just come back. Okay, so I've come back to the so multiple applications here. You have Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word here, Excel here. So whatever Office apps you have, that Microsoft is always will give you on the phone itself. So that you don't need to worry about. Uh, Microsoft Edge experience, if I'm talking about, it's also the same. We've opened some tabs here. You can see. So whatever I'm doing there is not interfering here. So that way it's like a better experience you'll get in the Microsoft Lumia 950 XL. Right now, the only experience you can get with this and a 950, which is a smaller version of this phone, it's only limited to these two phones right now. Probably it is possible that Microsoft will, eventually give it to other phones and extend it to other phones. But that too, you'll have to stay tuned for that. We'll give you more details on that later. I'll just play a video here so that you know how the experience is different from what you'll get in a normal Miracast from Android.
Hi guys, it's Sandeep from Phone Arena, and today we have a brand new device for unboxing. And as you can probably tell by the box itself, this is the latest smartphone from.
So just to see here that everything is in full screen mode and everything goes up, to confirm you that it's not a PC, it's still a phone. You can see there we have the we have connected to a Wi-Fi here, and Bluetooth is also on. So let me just come back. So we have multiple applications opened here. I can switch apps like this, like a PC. Whatever you can do on a Windows 10 PC, you will probably be able to do that through your phone with this display dock on. So you don't probably, in future, you will probably not need a PC. So just in case, if you wanna use, probably you wanna drop your PC, you wanna leave everything at home and you want to carry on with the device, you can do that. All you need is a display dock, and if that display screen supports the Miracast, then probably also it is as good as the experience you will get with the display dock. So that's it for now. Tell us what you like about the video. Tell us what you all want to know about this Continuum feature. We'll come back to you as soon as possible. Once we have the device with us, we'll come up with the unboxing and everything possible. So that was it. Thank you for watching.